What if the real reason you can't go to the bathroom isn't what you think? Not your schedule, not your stress, not even your food alone. Imagine waking up every morning feeling heavy, uncomfortable, and frustrated. You sit there, waiting, but nothing happens. Minutes pass, sometimes longer, and slowly it begins to affect your mood, your energy, even your confidence. Constipation isn't just a small inconvenience. It's your body sending a warning signal, a silent message that something inside is out of balance. And most people completely ignore it. So what do? We rush toward quick fixes, pills, laxatives, instant solutions. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't want shortcuts. It wants support. Think of your digestive system like a river. When water flows freely, everything moves smoothly. But when the river dries up or gets blocked, everything slows and eventually stops. That's exactly what happens inside your gut. One of the biggest missing pieces? Fiber. Fiber acts like a sponge. It absorbs water, softens waste, and adds bulk. This makes it easier for your intestines to push everything forward. Without enough fiber, your system becomes sluggish, like traffic stuck in a jam. But fiber alone isn't enough. Imagine pouring dry sand into a pipe. It clogs instantly. Now imagine adding water. Suddenly it flows. That's the role of hydration. Without enough water, fiber can't do its job. This is why experts often recommend around 20 to 35 grams of fiber daily, paired with plenty of fluids. Together, they create movement. Together, they restore rhythm. And then there's movement itself. Your body is not designed to stay still all day. When you sit for hours, your digestion slows down. Your intestines become lazy. But even simple activity, walking, stretching, can wake up your gut and stimulate natural movement. Now here's where things get interesting. There are simple natural remedies, used quietly for generations, that can gently nudge your system back on track. No harsh chemicals, no dependency, just small daily habits that create powerful results over time. One of the most underrated? Tiny seeds that expand in water and transform your digestion from the inside out. Another? A natural fiber source that works like a reset button, but only if used the right way. These aren't miracle cures. They're signals. Signals that teach your body how to function again. Because constipation isn't just about what you take. It's about how your body learns to move again. And what comes next might completely change the way you look at your morning routine. But what happens next will change everything. Let's go deeper, because this is where most people get it wrong. Imagine starting your day with something simple, yet powerful enough to wake up your entire digestive system. Not coffee, not medicine, but a natural combination that works quietly, almost invisibly. One example is soaked seeds, small but incredibly effective. When placed in warm water, they expand, forming a gel-like texture. This gel travels through your digestive tract, softening waste and making it easier to pass. At the same time, it nourishes your body with essential nutrients that support overall health. It's not just digestion, it's repair. Then comes another powerful helper, a natural husk often used as a short-term reset. But here's the catch. Most people use it incorrectly. They rush it. They don't give it time to activate. When prepared properly, soaked long enough, combined with a hint of acidity like lemon or apple cider, it becomes far more effective. It gently cleans your system, almost like sweeping dust out of a room that hasn't been touched in years. But remember, this is not meant to be a lifelong dependency. It's a jumpstart, a way to remind your gut what normal feels like again. Now picture this. At night, instead of scrolling endlessly on your phone, you prepare a simple mixture, something natural, slightly sweet, and deeply nourishing. Dried fruits soaked in water, tiny seeds packed with minerals. You eat them slowly before bed. While you sleep, your body works. By morning, something shifts. This isn't magic. It's biology. Your gut responds to consistency, to rhythm, to small signals repeated daily. There are even herbal teas used in traditional systems of wellness that gently stimulate bowel movement. Not aggressively, not forcefully, just enough to encourage flow. And then there's the final layer, A blend of natural fruits, dried and powdered, used for centuries. Not pleasant in taste, but incredibly powerful in function. It supports digestion, improves metabolism, and gradually restores balance. Some people use it once a day, others twice. But the key is listening to your body. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Constipation is rarely just about the gut. It's about your lifestyle, your habits, your timing, your relationship with your own body. When you eat matters. When you sleep matters. How you move matters. Ignore these, and the problem returns. Fix them, and everything changes. Imagine waking up feeling light, comfortable, free. No struggle, no frustration. Just a smooth, natural start to your day. That's not a dream. It's a pattern. One you can build. So take a moment. Think about your routine. What small change can you start today? Because the next step you take could redefine how your body feels every single morning. Most people never hear the next part, and that's the real danger. Your body is always communicating with you. The question is, are you listening? Start small. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And if this helped you see constipation in a completely new way, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Befittest, because your health journey deserves the right guidance. Until next time, take care of your body, and it will take care of you.